Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we're coloring alphabets A to Z. First we are using blue color. And now we're coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes. I for ice cream. And the next one is J. Now we're coloring the alphabet of K. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Subscribe to our channel. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Now we're coloring the alphabet of P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. And the next one is V. V for van, V for vanilla. The next one is W. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Now we're coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, now we're coloring 2D shapes. First we're coloring the shape of star. And now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of red. Now we are using red color. The next one is square, the shape of square. Now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are using yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. We are again using the color of yellow. Now we're coloring the shape of triangle. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of black and coloring the shape of circle. Now we are using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of black. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.